Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this water wave text effect on Canva. So if you go to the text here, add a text box, and I'm just going to type summer is coming up. This is such an iconic Ayana line. If you know her, if you know, you know. Sorry, let me just do that. Maybe I should put that up here. And then I'm just going to make the font like a bold font. So let me just use this one. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Here. And just put it in the middle of everything. Copy and paste it. And then make sure they're lined up. Go to effects and select the hollow one. Then go to elements and type in waves in video. Maybe like water waves. And I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm just going to remove the background here. And I'm just going to kind of adjust it so it's there. Then I'm going to place this one on top of everything. So layer, send to front. Okay, well, I'll just bring this like up. So here I just basically layered it up. So layer, bring forward just one time. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.